according to the research, HPV or human papillomavirus is a group of more than 200 related viruses, some of which can cause infections in the skin and mucous membranes. Ibig sabihin, yung HPV virus pwede maka-apekto kahit kanino. Lalo-lalo na tumutubo yan sa skin, pwedeng sa mga inguinal, sa organ, sa part ng mga lalaki na organ at sa mga babae, and also sa skin. So, pag nagdikit, na-affected yung isang tao, pwedeng makahawa yan. Okay, kasi virus. So, most HPV infections are harmless. So, and resolve on their own. Tandaan natin na lahat ng viral causing agent na sakit is self-restriction or self-limitation. Nawawala na lang yan. Okay, but certain types can lead to health problems including genital warts and cancers. So ito yung binibigyan din ng Department of Health. As early as 9 years old, meron na po tayong reportable case na nabuntis. 9 to 10. Going back 2010 and 2012, 1 or 2 incident of early pregnancy na naitala sa Albay na maaga silang nabuntis. So anong kaukulang pansin ang binibigyan namin dito? Na kayong mga kabataan, lalo-lalo na sa edad na 9 at 26 years old, mataas ang bilang na nagkakaroon ng cervical cancer or worse, sexually transmitted infection, and HIV or AIDS.